Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add motion blur in CapCut. So there is a new feature called motion blurs in CapCut, and I'm going to show you how you can use that. So here I've already prepared clips, like a compilations of clips like this, and I want to add the motion blur effects into my video. So what you guys need to do is click on clips, and then here at the toolbar just swipe until the end until you find the motion blur. So just select that, and then here the motion blur I'm going to show you. So the motion blurs means using pixel shift to blur the transition between different images, therefore making the transition appear smoother. So if you use the motion blur, I think you don't need to use another transitions, and here you can just adjust the blur into your liking. For example, I want to like set it into 60 like this, and also the blend I'm going to 40 like this. And then here you can see you can also adjust the directions. So here you can choose forward, backward, or both. So I'm going to just choose both. And then the time, so the times of the motion blur you can choose up to 6 times, and here I'm going to just use the biggest one 6 times, and then so click on OK, and then click on a check icon, and the CapCut will be applying the motion blur. You can just wait, and you can also shorten your video to reduce the processing time, but I think you can just wait, and let's see if until it's finished. Okay guys, so I already skipped the applying motion blur, and it's already 90-ish percent, and let's just wait until the motion blur fully applied to my video. So it might take a long time if you add like a long video like this. My video is actually like 18 seconds, but it takes like a few minutes to applying the motion blur, so you just need to be patient until it's fully applied. Okay, so just a little bit more. Okay, so now the motion blur apply, and let's see the final result. Okay, you can see now it looks like a transition, but it's actually a motion blur. Okay guys, so thank you all for watching. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.